Okay, this is a quick video and a review on the Ambino salt and pepper meal set that my daughter got me. I was talking about it and was contemplating, and she ran out and got it for me, which would have hurt. If you didn't see my shower must-haves, this was one of them. And so I just want to see how great they are. They are heavy. They feel like they are really good quality. And I'm going to show you what they look like. I'm unboxing them. And also, what is all this? Really? Do you need instructions and stuff for this? Why is it so many in here? Wait a minute. Oh, one is in English and one is in Spanish. Okay. So that's cool. Oh, they're not full. Wait, hold on. Oh, these are nice. Oh, all these batteries. Ugh, I kind of don't like stuff like that. That's the heaviness. There's no peppers or nothing in them. I thought they were going to be full, so I got to get the peppers and the salt. I'm going to get some pink salt if I do. So this is what they look like. Really cute. Really cute. I don't know if I should have got the black. I actually like these ones. I can't remember if the black had gold on them. I have to go back and look at my video. But this is what they look like, and this is the tops, and I guess you would just push this. I can't even see if they work because I don't have any peppercorns or anything. That's just a lot of batteries. Well, I have rechargeable batteries, so it's not gonna be a big deal if I had to. Good Lord. Wow. This is one, two, three, 6 batteries, guys. 1, 2. Oh gosh, the music in the background. Oh gosh, I hope it don't mess up my video. I hope it doesn't mess up the video. I'll just try to remove it off of YouTube. Then once you put the batteries in, there's some little notches here that you line up with this here. And I guess you push it in and then twist it. Yeah. So, unlock, lock. Oh. But I can't tell if it, oh, and it has caps. So you won't be having the salt or pepper everywhere. So now I have to order some peppercorns and some salt crystals. Now I have these, but I can't get these out. I don't know. Hold on. I think they made this where you cannot. Oh, wait. So maybe we could. I guess it doesn't matter which one, right? So let's get one of them. Oh, boom. One of them open and put some. It's just kind of weird, like how you gotta get, I gotta get the stuff in here. I don't think when people make stuff, they pay attention to certain things. I gotta get some more of this pink salt. But I think I'm gonna get the bag of it, because I think I've seen it at like Ross, or I know it's a lot of places where you can get the pink salt. At least we'll see if this one works. Is this the one I put the batteries in? I think so. So we stick that back in. Okay, wait. Let's make sure we're sticking it in the right way. And yeah, hold on, y'all. Let me stick it here. Nope, that's not it. Is this it? Okay. And then lock. Okay, so it's already locked. Oops, no. It's not locked. It's not locked, girl. It's not locked. Hold on. Okay. I guess it's locked. I don't know. Okay, so up here, we want to unlock it. Jeez, it's a lot. Oh, it works. It works. So I'm pretty sure the peppers are going to work as well. And that is, went over the shoulder. I know that was stupid. I'm gonna have to swing that up. But anyways, those are the Ambino pepper and salt meals from Aldi's for $14.99. Look at how chic and classy and elegant these look. These are really cute. And I got a lot of black in here, so I guess it'll brighten up the little cabinet when I set them down. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was an informative video, and you do need batteries. It said something about a light, y'all. Wait a minute. It says integrated light. Hold on. I didn't see a light come on. Oh, it does. A light does flip. It does, okay. Oh, wow. I'm just getting salt all on my shirt. Okay, cool. Like them, like them. All right, thumbs up this video if you like videos and demos and reviews and unboxing like these, where I show you about things that you're curious to see how they work, or if they're going to be good or not. Let me know. If I don't get this video out before I get peppercorn, I'll load the peppercorn one at the end and see how it grinds the peppercorn, if it does a good job, because that should matter. So I'll try to stick that in here as well. All right, I had to stick this in here, and I got some peppercorns, and I got the kind with different types of peppers and not just black. This was I guess a better deal. My daughter found that one. So I'm gonna put these in and see how the peppercorns grind. Hopefully, I don't see a way to change the grind. And I know some of them do come like that, where you can change the coarseness of it. Oh, wait, hold on. Yes, it is right here. It can be fine. It can be fine, or it can be a thicker. Oh, so which way do you change it though? Like, which way do you go? How do you know which way? I don't know. It doesn't show like an arrow of which way. I'm sorry, I'm not even in the camera. I'll put it on fine. Let's see. So let's unlock it, and let's put the peppers in here. Let me pause it. Get a little funnel. So it's locked, and I believe it's ready. So let's see. Oh, yep, that is fine. Let me twist it the other way to get a coarser. Okay, I see the difference between that and that. Let me twist it up. Okay, I see a difference. I see a difference. I think I like that one. It don't have to be real fine, but that, yeah, I can go with that. So that's it. And you see the light and everything. Pretty cool. So that's my pepper meal and my salt meal. If you didn't. Oh, it'd be nice if I take this off. Yeah, I'll probably use that for some chicken or something, so it won't go to waste. So yeah, and it has these caps, which I think is pretty cool to keep it locked in case you wanted, I guess, do a lot and then just pour it into something if you had to measure. I think that's pretty cool. You grind it up, leave it inside here, and then pour it into whatever measuring thing or whatever. So yeah, that is the, what is it called? Ambino pepper meals. Hold on one second. Let me zoom out. Yeah, Ambino pepper meal and salt meal from Aldi's for 14, is it $13.99 or $14.99? One of the two. But my daughter bought these, and I'm so excited about them. So I wanted to show you a demo, how they work, and I hope this was helpful. They are, listen, I thought, like I said in the beginning, that these were full because it's so heavy. These are heavy, and then now they're heavier, so they'll definitely stay sitting up on your counter. You don't have to worry about them falling because they already were heavy, and then I put the batteries in them, so you know that makes it heavier. I would recommend investing into rechargeable batteries, so when these go out, I'll be putting my rechargeable batteries in them. I love the gold look. They're real chic and classy. So yeah. And they have these in black and white. You would have seen these on my video of great Christmas gifts to get from Aldi's. So I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you share the channel. And I have thousands of videos that you can check out that save you money, that demo and review things. That way you don't have to waste your coin. I can show you how to save your coin, and then you can buy what's best for you. And I've already shared it with you. So that way you don't have to wonder. And if you're new to the family, make sure you hit that notification bell after you join the family by subscribing, and the notification bell notify you every time I load a new video. And with that being said, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I will see you guys later, Gators.